What do you feel the sacroiliac machine?
That right side is very tender.
That's tender?
Yeah.
All right. Let's check it. Bring this up here. Push the foot up. That's not much strength, brother. Push it up again. Push. Oh, that's wimpy.
Yeah.
Wimpy.
I'm embarrassed.
You should be. You should be. I had a 90-year-old lady who was stronger than that. All right. I'm gonna put a wedge under your left hip.
Okay.
Right there. Okay. Now bring this up. Push it up. That's good. That's good. And let's try it over here. Okay. Bring this up. Push up. Okay. Go ahead and lay on your left side.
On the left side?
On your left side. All right. Hold right there. You've done this before. But your knee just kind of rock. There we go. Okay, now lay face down again. All right, bring this up. Push up. Okay, lay on this side, go the other way.
Alrighty. Oop.
Okay, good. All right, now stand up.